I told you not to get outside. It's raining outside. Now go to sleep. You'll feel better tomorrow. Okay? Don't go outside again. Yes, you are doing great. Keep going, keep going. Nice shot. Good one. Yeah. Hey, please stop it. He's finishing me. Please stop it. Look here. My battery is getting low. Please stop him. Please. What are you... This is a magic pot. You guys want to see a magic? Now see. This cat is going inside. Now her color will change. Ta-da! See? Hey guys, please get aside. Let our heroine to come inside. Ready? Go. Hey, are you feeling hungry? If you want, you can check inside. I have something for you inside. Hey, what are you doing? I told you check inside. Why are you getting inside? Hey, you stupid cat. Guys, see, he is risking his life to meet his girlfriend. Look. Oh. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Hey, you have to cut the cake, not to clap with me. I will give you good massage. I will give you good massage. You will feel very good. You will feel very good. I will give you good massage. I will give you good massage. You will feel very good. You will... Okay, there are 3 dogs and 2 cats. Hey, where are you going? Come here. Hey, you stupid dog. Hey, look over there. He's coming there. Hey, you both. What are you doing? Stop fighting. Please don't fight. Hey, you both. Please stop fighting. Oh no. Hey, look your brother. Look what he's doing. Please come here. Oh no. These both are fighting very much. Please, God, save them. Hey, you both. Please stop fighting. Hey, you stupid fellows. I'm telling you, don't fight. And you dog. Go over there. Hey, you stupid dog! Why you went over there? You don't understand? You will hurt yourself. Don't go again over there. I'm done with my all tallies.